All right, guys, so let's jump in and actually connect our AI sales agent to our Go High level so it can start responding to our leads. Now, if you watched in my previous videos, I had a video tutorial on how to build the Tint AI Sales Agent in the OpenAI Playground, and I was releasing the videos on the detailing and ceramic coating agents as well. So if we want to connect those AI sales agents, we need to set that stuff up here in Go High Level, and then in a software called Zapier, and then we'll actually set those agents we had built and dialed in live to respond to our leads and convert them into sales. So the way we do this is a couple of things. I have the snapshot available for you guys to import all the workflows directly into your Go High Level account, so you don't have to build any of this stuff out yourself. You can just directly import it, and it'll come with the workflows, tags, custom values, all that stuff. So if you're not sure how to load a snapshot, look up a short video on YouTube on how to import a snapshot. It's 1 or 2 minute process. Um, if you and then the link for that snapshot will be in the description also, so that you can access the snapshot. Now, another thing you'll need to do is you'll need to know how to map. If you're running Facebook ads and you map the fields so their contact information gets sent to Go High Level, you'll need to go to, once you've imported the snapshot, go to settings, go to custom fields. Now you'll see there's a few different contact fields here. There's AI response, AI go, and then vehicle. So if you're currently mapping your vehicle information to a field from your forms, that's fine. You can still keep that, whatever field you're mapping it to. You'll just need to use that field instead of this one. Whichever field you're mapping your again your vehicle information from your Facebook ad, when they submit the form, you need to use that as your the field where that way we can actually allow our AI to use their vehicle information. But if you're not doing that currently, map that form field here. If you're not trying to map form fields from or map the information, where the information goes from your ads to your Go High Level, look that up on YouTube. It's another very, very short video. That way you guys can know exactly how to do that. So and that way we can use the vehicle information. Now this is going to be texting through Go High Level, so you'll need to have a Go High Level phone number set up. If you're working with an agency already, you probably already have that done, or already have that if you already have a Go High Level account. If you're just setting all this stuff up, it's super easy. You just look up how to get a Go High Level phone number, and that's it. So again, all the snapshot can be downloaded, so you can import all the fields you'll need, the workflows, and the tags. So we're gonna have a couple different tags here. If we scroll down and look, we have AI go, AI stop, alert user, booked, supposed to be deleted. I don't know why this one keeps showing back up. We have ceramic, detailing, and tint. So the way the tags are used, I'll explain here shortly as we get in. So you'll see this folder, AI Sales Agents. Inside of that folder, there will be a series of different workflows here. So what you'll need to do is, you'll see a tint, detailing, and ceramic. So for each, if you're setting up multiple AI agents, or you're just setting up one, these will be in here, but you can always use these in the future if you want to run agents for these different things, or for any of these different services. So we'll start with the tint agent here. So if we click on tint agent greeting, this is where you'll select which form on Facebook you want to activate the AI sales agent tint bot or tint agent right here. So whatever form is getting submitted for your window tint leads on Facebook, that's where you'll select this form. And that way, when that form triggers, it'll activate our AI to start. Now, you can add a wait step here so that it waits 1 minute or 2 minutes after the lead submits their information before the AI actually reaches out. So that's how you basically delay the time before the AI actually reaches out for the first initial message. So I'm going to remove this because we're just doing a test for now. Until once we have everything working and everything, once it's all working, I recommend that's when you add the wait step. That way, when we're testing out the workflows, make sure everything's working. You don't have to wait each time. So hit save. Now, when they come down this workflow, they're going to get these two tags added. One's going to be AI Go, the other is going to be Tint. So I'll explain what the tint tags do here in a minute, but the AI Go just allows the AI to only respond to new leads coming through the ads and not all your previous contacts who might be texting your business. We only want the AI to respond to the new inbound leads who get the tag. So it goes down here to SMS. So this is where it sends out the initial greeting message. And remember how in our OpenAI playground, in my tint video or the detailing videos, we had our greeting right here preset in these parentheses, and you see this information, name and vehicle, and that's in the greeting in the so what we need to do is we need to make sure that greeting matches what is getting sent out here. And instead of the saying name and vehicle, we're actually filling in with their actual name and actual vehicle in the message. If you're not sure how to do that, just go to custom values and hit contact. You'll hit first name, and obviously that won't go there, but it'll go here. And then same for the vehicle. The way you find vehicles, you go to custom values, scroll down, custom fields, vehicle, or whatever you're mapping your vehicle information to. So it doesn't necessarily need to be mine. If you're already mapping your vehicle information somewhere else, you can use that. But the greeting, it's very important the greeting is the exact same. So yeah, make sure always allow reentry is available. It should be selected by default. So that's a tint greeting. Now we have a detailing greeting as well. So if we have a detailing AI sales agent, let's just say you have multiple AI sales agents responding to multiple different leads from different ads. So if you have your tint greeting, you have a tint AI sales agent responding to your tint leads when they come in. Now you have a detailing agent responding to when a detailing lead comes in. You have multiple agents running at once. So if you go to, Facebook lead form submitted, this is where you select which form is going to trigger this for your detailing leads. Same thing with the form on a landing page if you're running a landing page form. And then add tag. So this is where you'll see the same thing, but this one, instead of having tint, is detailing. So this is a detailing lead. And the reason why we add the tags is when it goes to our AI agent in Zapier, the tag tells Zapier which AI sales agent to send the customer's message to. Is it the detailing agent, the tint agent, or the ceramic coating agent? And you'll see more of what I'm talking about. But you'll see that for our detailing AI, we have this greeting here, same one as in the OpenAI playground. So with our fields filled in. So again, whatever you guys ended up customizing and making your greeting in the OpenAI playground, in those tutorials where you go over that, how to customize the agents, that's what you'll make sure your greeting is when you send it. The ceramic coating is the exact same thing with the ceramic coating greeting and the ceramic coating tag being added. So now with this setup, you can have different agents responding to different leads when they come in. Now, what about when the AI going back and forth with the user and talking back and forth with them each message? So the way that works is when the user replies to our greeting and sends their first message, and every message after that, it comes through this workflow. So what we need to do, this workflow allows the AI to also handle two messages at one time. So if the customer happens to send two rapid messages, the AI will make a reply to both messages in one message to the customer instead of making two replies to both messages. So very important for making the AI seem human-like and not AI. So there's nothing that needs to be changed in here. Everything's already pre-set up. Now the reason for the AI stop tag is this: if we add the AI stop tag to our contact at any point in the conversation, the messages will no longer go to the AI. So the AI will stop talking to this customer. Now, again, you may want to add the AI stop tag if you want to take over the conversation manually to book them in for a service or confirm the date and time or take over the conversation manually for whatever reason. That's how you would do that. You'd add the tag, and you could start texting the customer from your Go High Level account and the takeover. Again, that one always needs to be on allow reentry. AI sales agent. So this is the workflow that sends the message to the AI sales agent. The AI sales agent makes the reply, and the reply goes to the customer. So the way that looks like is message from the contacts. This is going to the AI, comes down here, through here, checks if the AI stop tag's there. If it is, it won't go past this. Goes down through here, goes out to this 30-second wait period and out the webhook to our Zapier bot. So this is the amount of time you want the AI to wait before making a reply. So if you want the AI to wait, 30 seconds or a minute, this is where you'd adjust that. I'd recommend doing 30 seconds or a minute. So this will allow, in the first 30 seconds, if the user sends 1 or 2 messages, the AI will send both of those messages to the or it will send the first message or both messages to the agent, to the AI agent. Now, it's not really, like I said, important. It's just how long do you want the AI to wait before making a reply. Now, the SMS message here, we don't need to do anything with that. And this is the message from the AI, goes through here, out to the user is a SMS. And this is just a big loop. That's really what it is. So this allows the customer to talk back and forth with our AI through Go High Level. And then this is where we actually build out the different AI agents. So you need to jump over to a Zapier account. You'll need to have the setup. If you don't have a Zapier account already, Zapier just allows you to connect different softwares and do lots of cool automations. So through Zapier, you're going to need the premium or professional level account, which I believe is $29 a month. This will allow you to get all the features we need to have to build this agent. You also get a 14-day free trial. So then it's $29 a month. I promise you it's worth it. So what you'll need to do here is you need to set trigger webhook. We'll search for webhook. Choose event, catch hook. So catch hook just means that it's catching data from the source. The source is going to be Go High Level sending the data. Zapier is going to catch the data. So what we need to do is we need to go to test. We need to copy this link, switch back to Go High Level, scroll down to our webhook in our AI Sales Agents. You guys won't have anything in there, but you're gonna hit Control, paste that in, hit Save Action, and then save. Now you'll see this thing where it's like we're listening, test trigger. We need to go over to. We need to hit save so everything's the way it should be. Go to workflows. Now go to your tint greeting here. So what we need to do for this is we need to hit test workflow and then find our contact so that this text message comes to us. We're going to hit run test. This is going to send us through this workflow as if we had submitted a form from a Facebook ad, and we should get a text message on our phone here. Should get a text message from your Go High Level number with your greeting. Now you're going to jump back over to workflows, or not workflows. You're going to go to contacts. You're going to find your contact, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to put something in the vehicle box here. You need to have a vehicle in there. So I just put 2022 Ferrari 812 Superfast. So you'll have some sort of vehicle in the vehicle box. Now what you also need to do here is you need to look at, make sure there's something in your vehicle box, and then if you don't have anything, make sure you save that when you put something in there. I don't remember if you need to save it or not. Does it automatically save? No. So you'll hit save. Now what you need to do is on your phone where you got that text message just now, you'll need to reply to that text message. So the way I say send the word test1, hit send. So send the first text message just like I'm doing here, test1, and then send test2. Make sure you do that in that 30-second timer. That means that this AI will send both of these, the workflow will send both of our messages through our Zapier webhook. Now we will need to wait 30 seconds because there is a timer. I don't know why the book tag got added, but So if you jump back over here to test trigger, you should get data that comes through. So you see request A, this is what just came through from our webhook on Go High Level. So we just created like a digital bridge between our AI and our Go High Level. So what we need to do here is we need to search for, now there's a couple different things you could do. So if you're going to make a single AI sales agent, if you're not going to have one for tint and one for detailing and one for other services, just I'm going to show you to make multiple. But if you're only going to have one and you're only going to have one for now, you don't need to do a paths. But the way I say that's best to do it is still add the path, and there's a way to work around. So do paths by Zapier. So this is how you're going to have multiple agents working in your business if you want. Now I'll show you how to only, still do this with only one agent. And it'll be easy to add new agents in the future as you need them or as you decide to. So if you go click paths and you go to path rules, so path A, we're going to do this. We're going to go to this box, make sure custom rules is there or is the selected one. Only continue if, choose field. Now you see all this data from Go High Level here. We're going to scroll down and look for tags. So tags, choose condition, text contains, and then we're going to type in tint. So that means, gosh, I accidentally deleted it. Oh, never mind. So that means if we have the tint tag and we need to go to our AI Tint Sales Agent, and it's going to send us down this path. So we're going to hit continue. Continue. Now it switched A to B for some reason, but so yeah, it doesn't really matter. As long as we have the tint tag, it'll come down this path to our Tint AI bot. So what we need to do now is we need to type in chat GPT. Click that. Now we need to go choose event. We need to go down to conversation, hit continue. Now we need to go to choose account. Now, this is where you need to go to your your OpenAI playground that we were testing our agent out in and dialing it in. We need to go over here to API keys, hit create new secret key, name the key, create the key, and then copy that key, go back to Zapier, and so you'll hit connect a new account here. A box is going to pop up on your screen here. You'll paste that key into that box and hit continue, and then it'll add your account in here automatically. So once that's added in, you'll be able to select it, hit continue. Action. So under action, we need to go to user message. We need to go to catch hook, and we need to look for message to AI1. Click that, and then hit the space bar so we have a space, and then message to AI2. So message to AI1, which should say test 1, space, message to AI2, test 2. So this means first message and second message will both come to the AI if they send 2 messages. If they only send 1 message before the AI makes a response, then only the first message will show up, and the AI will reply. So here's where we go to model. We need to make sure we select the same model that we were doing or using when we were dialing in our prompt in the playground. So GPT-4, memory key. We'll scroll down, and we'll need to select the phone number as the memory key. Go to username, click first name. Now you can name your assistant if you want to name them something cool. I like to name mine cool stuff, futuristic names. Assistant instructions, and then we have temperature. So before we put the instructions in, we're going to go to temperature. Now, if you go back to your playground here, whatever your temperature was when you were dialing in your agent, and like we did in my previous tutorial where we were building the tint agent, I was going over the prompt and how to customize it, whether that was the tint one, the detailing one, or the ceramic coating one. Whatever you dialed your prompt in at, that's what you're going to need to set your temperature as here in Zapier, so everything's consistent. And so assistant instructions, we're going to go back over here. Now we're going to copy the entire assistant instructions box set up into here, just like that. So we have all our instructions in here. All right, guys. So once we have our instructions from our OpenAI playground in this box here, what actually something that's easy to do also is just drag this box out so it's wider. Um, that way you can see everything a little bit easier. So you see everything's nice and organized. Now what we need to do is you need to go up and make our greeting message the same in this prompt as it is as the message going out to the user in Go High Level. So we have our greeting message here. So what you'll do is in your prompt, again, whatever you decide to make your greeting, will have the users, if you want to add their first name into the greeting, all you have to do is go down to your webhook. Well, I'll just do it again from scratch. Here, one sec. Guys, you'll find out Zapier is buggy when you click on these like long prompts here. Zapier will scroll all the way to the bottom. It's super annoying. So you have your greeting. You want to insert, let's say you want to insert their first name into the greeting just like I did. Scroll down to the bottom, go to your webhook, find first name. Whoops, there it is. And then let's just say you want to insert their vehicle information, which actually this is something you need to have the vehicle information either in the greeting or in the prompt somewhere so that the AI can reference their vehicle information to give custom quotes and accurate service information. So if you guys collect the vehicle information in your Facebook ads, which 95% of people running ads for these types of services are going to collect what vehicle it is. Basically, what you need to do is you need to have the AI, this greeting message, include either the vehicle information in the actual greeting so the AI can reference that information and understand, have context of what vehicle it's about to give services for and pricing options for, all that stuff. So it's important to have either the greeting in your, or the vehicle information in your greeting, or to do something like this, if your greeting doesn't include the vehicle information or you don't want to, I would say this is included if you can. But you could also do something like, here is the leads vehicle. Please use this as context conversation for giving pricing and packages. And then put something like, and then you could insert the vehicle there. I would say don't, if you can do it with the actual vehicle in the greeting though. I think that's a better way to do it because it's automatically in the AI's context of what it's doing with the vehicle information. It's giving a quote for this vehicle. So again, highly recommend including the vehicle in the greeting. So that's what you do. You can insert vehicle or the information. Again, this just needs to match exactly what is being said in our initial reach out message from our AI. So just to give you a context of what's happening here. So this first message that goes out from the AI is not a AI message. That is an automated SMS message through Go High Level. The AI sales agent is taking the conversation from there on out. So if they reply to that greeting, the AI then takes over the conversation and takes it the rest of the way. Now, the reason why we need to have this greeting match the one in Go High Level is so the AI recognizes that what message it's responding to. So it knows the lead. If we tell it here, we say your first message from the customer will be a reply to this greeting. So you'll take over the conversation and continue the conversation from there. So we need the AI to understand exactly what the greeting was so that it understands when the user replies what the context of the reply was about, and that's why the AI can take the conversation the rest of the way. Now you can have the AI actually send this greeting. You have to modify the workflow a bit, and it gets just a bit more complicated and complex. So I think this is the simpler of the two ways, but there is some really cool things you can do when you have the AI send a greeting. Like instead of it being scripted like this, you could have the AI make a customized greeting. And there's a lot of different things you could do with that. Like you could have the AI, complement just a bunch of different things. Like an example, if they have a high-end vehicle, you could have the AI complement their vehicle, the nature of the vehicle or whatever it is. You could have the AI do a bunch of different things in custom greetings. But this is the simpler and more reliable of the two. That way you just control exactly what the first output is every time. If you know you have a greeting that works and converts well and gets people talking to your business. So this is definitely a good and simpler way to do it. So
Yeah, that's how you add the greeting into your prompt. And again, make sure this just matches what you had set in Go High Level, what you decided to make your greeting.
We hit continue. Now, anytime you guys make changes to your AIs in the future, I recommend going to the playground, doing all your changes, testing everything in here because it's so much easier, and then copying your instructions over to your actual AI bot that's going to be in Zapier responding to your leads that way. Um, Everything because these are both the same service. This is Zapier is connected to OpenAI here, but just this is an easier way to test everything. And then once you take it to your Zapier AI, it'll be easier to you just copy in what's already working, and then you don't have to test. It's just so much easier to test and refine things in the playground. So you need to hit test step. Great. All right. So now we need to add this plus step. Search for lead connector. Choose event. Search for add or update contact. Continue. Choose account. Now this is where you need to add your Go High Level account. So what you do to this is hit connect a new account. Again, this is just like the box that popped up for our OpenAI here. You need to paste in your Go High Level API key. So the way you do that is you go to your settings in your account, and then you scroll down until you scroll down underneath your business information. You'll see API key. Hit copy. Go over to back into Zapier, but it doesn't. The box is a separate window, so you need to pull that window back up. API key. Connect lead connector. Hit continue, so your account's connected now. And then, so under first name, we're gonna put first name from the webhook, last name. This is how lead connector knows who to send this text and which copy or which contact to basically send this to. So we need to search for full name, phone number, phone right there. So we have first name, last name, full name, phone number. So we go down to mark as lead, true. Now AI response, this is where the AI's reply is going to go. So you'll click the ChatGPT box, and then you'll scroll all the way to the bottom until it says reply. Now this is going to be your AI's response to your client, and that's where that's going. So you hit continue, and then you'll hit test step. Now when you hit test step, you should get a text message to your phone. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's coming to your phone correctly. So that means now when we get a lead for our tint business, our tint lead comes in, it goes through here whenever our AI is talking back to their customer, it comes through here, it goes to the Tint AI Sales Agent. Now, if you have multiple AI sales agents, you want your tint agent, you want a detailing agent, and you want a ceramic coating agent responding to each of your different leads, this is how you would add a second agent. Now, this right now will not let you publish because we have a path that isn't going anywhere. So if you only want the tint agent, the way I would recommend doing this is going to hit only continue if, and then sorry, if you want to not have this do anything at all, where is it? Where's it at? Hit it to fallback. And then, actually, sorry, don't go to fallback. Custom rules. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how I did because it's trying to figure out how to come up what I did with off this off memory. Oh, so this is what you do. You could add just something pretty simple. So you could do test message to user, or sorry, tags. Tags, choose condition, and then you can make it something, it just can't go down this path. So all you have to do is click do not exist. tags does not exist. And then you could just put something here like lead connector. Whoops. So I'm actually trying to figure out the best way to do this to make it easy. So what we'll do is I'll go ahead and show you guys how to, we'll go ahead and go through the process of setting up a second agent. And then if you only have one agent, that's completely fine. This will only go down this path. If you'll need to at least set up because we selected paths, you'll need to at least set up a second path here because it won't let you publish without it. But I'll show you how to set up a second agent and the third agent, and then you'll only have to worry about going down here because if you only have the tint tag, then it's only going to go down this path and not this path ever. So you don't have to worry about that. Just continue with this tutorial. Even if you're having a single agent, just follow along and build out the second path. That way in the future you can add more, and it won't go down this path until you want it to. So that's just the best way to do it. I was trying to think about, but that just would be overcomplicating things. So custom rule tags. Now this would be if we want to go down the detailing path and talk to the detailing agent, we would go contains, we type in detailing. So now if they have the detailing tag, they'll go down the detailing path. We'll continue. Same thing, chat, GPT. Whoops. Conversation, continue, continue. GPT-4. Go to here. Everything's the same on all the workflows. The only thing that's different about any of the workflows is just the agent name and the tag, or the agent in the tag. Test 1 space, test 2 space. So memory key, again, phone number, username, first name, assistant instructions, temperature, 0.8. Oops, laptop was about to die. Alrighty. So again, you paste your instructions in. If we jump over to my playground here, copy in my detailing prompt. Go over to Zapier. Now again, if you guys have multiple agents you're building, or if you just built the detailing prompt, you could put that in here. Now, the point is I'm trying to give you guys the ability to like mix and match and make your own use case. So like if you only have the detailing, you don't have the window tinting, then you don't have to worry about the window tinting. You could have just put the detailing where the window tinting would be. Put the detailing where window tinting would be currently, and then just have the tag go down the, instead of being a tint, just put detailing, and then make this the tint path, and then just not have a tint agent, and it'll never go down this path. Or if you want to make this a ceramic coating agent, you can, and just put the ceramic tag and put your ceramic coating prompt in here, and it'll be a ceramic coating agent. So I hope you guys, I'm trying to like make this, as interchangeable and give you guys the tools to like mix and match different things. So really all you need to think about is the agent, the path is like, which path is this person, which client is this? Is it a tint lead? Is it a detailing lead? Is it a ceramic lead? Whatever lead it is, put that as the tag, and then make that the agent that they're talking to, whether it's the detailing agent, the ceramic agent, the tint agent, and then it'll go out. That's the only thing that matters is the path with, or the tag, and then what agent it's talking to. So, you could have 3 paths here with 3 different agents as well. All I have to do is hit this plus, add a third path, make that a ceramic path, and then, or ceramic tag, and then down to a ceramic agent. And that's how you do it. Like, this is just something you can like, it's super scalable. It's easy to add agents, take away agents. That's the whole point, is to try and make it scalable and easy to do. So if we go to this path, we have our agent instructions in here. Now if we scroll down, we hit continue, and we hit test step, should respond here. So now it will let us publish because everything is set up correctly. Now this is like this is what I was saying. Like if you only have one agent, whether it's the whether this is the tint agent or you make this the detailing agent, the ceramic agent, you just have the second path here. This is just so we can publish it, and you may not have an agent here that's actually you're actually running right now, but that doesn't really matter as long as this is this agent is working. Your tint agents will come, your tint leads will, or tint or detailing or ceramic coating leads will come to the correct agent. I hope I'm not confusing anybody, but this is how you make it like easy to add and take away new agents. So let's just say you do want to continue with having multiple agents. All we need to do here is add the lead connector step so that it can go back to our customer. So add, update, contact, continue. Same thing as before we were just doing. First name, last name, full name. And then AI response is where the AI reply is going to go. Continue. Test step. I got my text message. Alrighty. So if we jump back over here to go high level, cool. One sec, guys. So the reason we didn't get a second text message when we hit publish here is because this message was the exact same one that was sent over here. So the contact field didn't change because it was already what triggers the AI message to go is that the contact field is different, but the contact field is the exact same from both agents because we just hit the test button. So it didn't send a second text message because the contact field was the exact same as it was before. So everything's working fine. You hit publish. Anytime you guys update anything with the Zap, make sure you publish it and save your changes. You can name it. Now, if you wanted to add a third agent, fourth agent, fifth agent, all you'd have to do is add a new path step like that. And then you could literally everything would be the exact same. Is here you would just name what kind of client do I want going down this path? Is it the ceramic? Is it the ceramic? What type of user? And then make the agent for that specific user. That's all that changes. So hopefully you guys got an idea. Now again, like if you're only running tint or only running a detailing or only running a ceramic coating, just make whichever agent you want to be is going to be the active one. Your path A, and then make sure the tag is correct and the agent is the right agent, and then you could, that means this. Well, the customers will only ever talk to this path A agent if that's the only one you're running. If you're running multiple, then the detailing clients will come to the detailing, and the tint will come to the tint, and the ceramic would go to the ceramic if it was there. So that's how you actually just connect the two. So now we have a fully working AI system here. So let's do let me so I should be able to just so if I send a message after 30 seconds, it should go through that workflow, go through our AI sales agent and back to us. We should get a text message back here. And while we're talking about it now, if I wanted to stop this AI sales agent from responding to text messages, all I'd have to do is add the AI stop tag, and that means no more messages will go to the AI. The AI will not reply. Now, once you have the tag on and you've don't remove the tag because we want the AI will not have had any memory of conversation that happened while the tag was on. So the AI would be confused if you were to add the tag, talk to the customer a bit, and then remove the tag, thinking the AI would take the conversation back over. The AI will have no memory of the conversation between you, the messages you sent with the customer. Um, the AI will not have memory of that. So once you have the tag on, if you've sent messages to the customer, just be sure to keep the tag on. So you can see like the AI we got a reply from the AI here, just showing our like workflow that we just built out is working good, and everything like that. So again, if the AI walks a customer to a close, let's say they want to book for appointment next week, and you want to go confirm the date and time, and the AI's got them to the point where they say, yeah, I want to get on the schedule for next week, and all you have to do now is all you would have to do at this point is go to your tags, add the AI stop tag. You can do this from the Lead Connector phone or app on your phone as well. If you just go to the contact, hit edit, go down to tags, add AI stop, shoot them a text message, and then take over the conversation yourself if you want to schedule them in or confirm that date and time for the service. And then that's how you do that. So this is the AI sales agent. Like I said, hopefully that makes everything at least understandable for you guys. You know, the only thing you have to do to build new agents in Go High Level is make sure there's a tag for them, for the right person, and you know, make sure that you have that tag and add the right branch as branches out here in Zapier, or customize the branches you have already. But because you could turn this from a tint agent into a ceramic coating agent, all you'd have to do is you know, change the path A tag from, you know, to ceramic, and then make this a ceramic coating agent instead of a tint agent, and then that's a ceramic coating agent now, and then your ceramic coating leads will go through this path. That's I hope that makes sense and isn't confusing. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys got a ton of value out of this whole like thing. I'm gonna, like I said, be releasing more videos. I'm also going to be releasing a tutorial here shortly about a few different things. So to build the master AI sales agent, the one that can sell through social media channels like for Facebook Messenger and Instagram DM. So, you know, customers who message your Instagram saying, hey, I'm interested in tint and ceramic coating, or, you know, if they message your Facebook saying, I want a detailing and paint correction, the AI is going to be able to sell all of your different services in one AI sales agent and walk those leads to a close on your social media. So keep an eye out for that. That is an insanely powerful tool. And we're going to be doing a tutorial on that. And then also how to have your AI respond to people who comment underneath of your ads. So if you get an ad for window tinting services or detailing, and somebody says interested in the comments, or how much for a Jeep Grand Cherokee or whatever it is, the AI is going to be able to send them a DM through social media, say like, hey, like we saw your comment, you know, what can we help you with, kind of thing like that, and then take the conversation over from there. So a couple of cool tutorials that are going to be coming out here shortly. But anyway, guys, hopefully you found that valuable, and go check out the other videos on how to, you know, do the different type of agents. I'm giving away the prompts for each of them. So right now, like I said, the tint one is the one I just built out here, but again, it's really plug and play. You just plug in your different agents into these workflows. So anyway, guys, all right. Well, go hit the sub button because we need to get these subs up. All right, see ya.